Hi guys, and welcome back to our kitchen. And by the way, this kitchen is not always this organized and clean. I just did it for you guys. I like to cook. I like to try different things. I like to eat. I have here a dough machine and it's basically fixed in this place. When I built this one, I made a specific place for this machine that I can use it here. We have one more machine. It's an air fryer. It is quite big. That's not a problem. I can have it here. If I need this space, I can move it to somewhere else. One thing what I want to do, because of this table top, it's wood and I want to protect this. I want to make some kind of plate under this thing. Of course, I could go to a shop and buy some normal square wood piece. No, thank you. I want to make something a little bit more special, something that you can't buy from the shop. I'm going to use the same material, this film-faced plywood that I was using here, and I'm going to use also this aluminium profile to make it a little bit more nicer look. There's a few things that I have to take care of. I have to open it, I have to close it. I don't want that this machine or the plate is moving on the table, so I have to use maybe some kind of rubber feet. First, I have to draw basic shape, and I will do it with the paper and pen. Should I just draw it something like this? Here I have to check. It comes about here, and I will just draw it to the one side, then just copy to the other side that it's the same. Also here in the back is some kind of for the cable, and there's also feet under this one, so I have to also draw this here. One side done, and I will just copy it to the other side as a mirror image. I want to make this whole thing a little bit smoother. Of course, I have to think about this aluminium profile. I can't do very sharp turns with this profile. I think I will go with this shape. This part, for example, that's hiding under this machine. I can maybe start this first aluminium profile here, so you can't see this. Then I will just copy this to the other side by just cutting this to a shape, like so. And so we have nice, even drawing. Looks like a chicken. I want to protect this good side with some painter's tape. This shape I will draw to the other side. I got better result that I will saw from the other side. This baby is not necessary, but I want to do it. Okay. First I will cut this to a smaller piece, and then I will draw this shape to the other side and cut it. Okay, I think now it's good enough. It was a little bit tricky to get even. I end up doing actually this, that I put one side here, then I turned it so it's exactly the same. Next I will clean these edges, and then it's time to think about these aluminium profiles. time to start to bend this aluminium profile. I found it easier to bend to a rough shape before screwing. In my opinion, a better way to do this. So now it's in a rough shape. Next I can start to put these screws. This time I'm going to use normal rubber feet. I don't want that this will slide out of the window when I close or open the basket of this air fryer, so rubber feet. This might be my fastest build ever. It's not perfect, but does it work under this air fryer and how it looks there? That's the most important thing. That's what we are going to try.